Energetic, welcome back to Chronicles of Tech, where we unravel the tales behind the tech that shapes our world. I'm Daniel.
Cheerful, and I'm Chloe. Today, we're diving into the beautifully meticulous mind of one of tech's ultimate visionaries, Steve Jobs.
Buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because we're going to explore his legendary obsession with design. And here's a tantalizing thought to chew on. Could Steve Jobs' dedication to aesthetic perfection actually be the reason why Apple became a cultural phenomenon?
Intrigued? Oh, you're in for a treat. We'll reveal the answer at the end. But first, let's unpack this obsession of his.
Right. So, Steve Jobs was a man with an almost obsessive approach to design. I mean, the guy approached every gadget as if it were a fine work of art.
Laughs. You know, it's almost as if he thought if it didn't invoke feelings, it was just another piece of technology. Then again, with Apple products, I think we can safely say, he was onto something.
Exactly. He famously said, "Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works," and I think that encapsulates his entire philosophy.
Nodding, right? For Jobs, it wasn't just about the exterior. It was about the experience. He truly believed design should be intuitive and, dare I say it, even poetic?
Chuckling, poetic? Well, his products certainly sang in the marketplace. Just think about the iPod. When it was launched, everyone was like, finally. A music player that doesn't require an engineering degree to figure out.
Playfully, exactly. Despite the fact that the design was sleek and beautiful, they didn't skimp on functionality. You'd think he was creating the Beatles of music players, something that would go down in history.
Excited, and don't forget about the packaging. Jobs paid meticulous attention to the unboxing experience. Opening an Apple product was like peeling away layers of a gift.
Laughs. The only downside? It made us feel a little guilty throwing away that beautiful packaging afterward. You almost want to frame it.
Sighs dramatically, the struggle is real. But really, think about his early days at Apple. From the Apple I to the Macintosh, each product reflected Eric Gill's focus on design and usability. It was revolutionary.
Curious, right? And you know, there's a famous meeting that transpired during the design phase of the original Macintosh where Jobs insisted that the team obsess over a specific shade of beige.
Laughs. I can so picture the scene, a room full of engineers debating the shade of beige like it was the color of the universe.
Giggling, and that's the magic of Jobs, isn't it? He demanded that everything be perfect. But it's also what polarized people. His exacting standards were known to drive his teams to the brink.
Agreeing, absolutely. We've all heard the horror stories, right? Those moments where he'd push people to deliver beyond their limits. It's said, at one point, he asked someone to design a new type of button for the iPhone, and it turned into a several months-long project.
Chuckling, can you imagine? Hey, I need a new button. Suddenly, you're on a quest equivalent to finding the Holy Grail.
Smirking, thanks for your hard work. But, can we try a pastel pink and perhaps an ever so slightly rounder shape?
Laughing, but the thing is, it worked. That kind of obsession bred innovation. Look where Apple is now. Not just a tech company, it's a lifestyle brand.
Thoughtful, true, and let's think about the iPhone, which revolutionized the smartphone industry. Jobs didn't just want a phone, he wanted a device that seamlessly blended technology with art.
Nodding enthusiastically, it's like he was fishing for the perfect balance between form and function. And, let's face it, who doesn't want to fish for that?
Laughs, that's how we'll end up with a legendary product. But let's shift gears for a moment. Did you know he was influenced by Zen Buddhism?
The simplicity of Zen. This definitely played into his design ethos. Jobs believed simplicity was the ultimate form of sophistication.
Excited, exactly. The less cluttered something is, the more impactful it becomes. It's almost like minimalism with a superstar endorsement.
Grinning. It's a mantra for many designers today. Apple definitely set that bar high.
Okay, we've teased it long enough. Shall we finally answer the million-dollar question? Did Jobs' obsession with design really lead Apple to cultural dominance?
Build suspense. Drumroll, please.
The answer is yes. His commitment to design was instrumental in crafting products that felt almost human, relatable, and indispensable.
Exactly. By prioritizing user experience and aesthetic beauty, Jobs transformed Apple into more than just a tech company. It became a lifestyle.
And, as we've learned today, that obsession was not without its costs, but it paid off in dividends for Apple.
Smiling, wise words, Daniel. As always, thank you all for joining us on this design journey through time.
Don't forget to follow us and get your daily dose of tech tales.
Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the chronicles of tech. Together, bye for now.